Rivers State Governor Gov Fubara don call Security Council meeting with heads of security agencies sake of the recent political yawa wey dey shele for the state. Dem do the meeting behind closed doors for Government House for Port Harcourt. After the meeting, Governor Fubara come yarn tori pipo say dem discuss strategies to stop the invasion of local government secretariat and come warn the immediate past council chairmen say make dem no get false hope say dem go return to their positions.
We just finished a Security Council meeting, and the meeting is because of the situation that we're experiencing in the state. You are all aware that the tenure of the council chairman ended yesterday, and today we have ordered the head of local governments to be in charge while they wait for further directives. It's really unfortunate that we started hearing some disturbing news from some LGAs of invasion of council secretariats, and it's really, really unfortunate. So we have called the Security Council meeting so that the needful will be done. Let me assure everyone, more especially the great and peace-loving people of Rivers State, the law is the law. The law has said that there is no extension of tenure. The court said so. And whoever is assuring anybody anywhere of whatever, I advise them to desist from it, because peace is what we need in this state.
Governor Fubara come also raise alarm say in the hear say opponents dey plan to arrest im supporters. He come promise say im go personally protect them and say anybody wey wan try arrest them go first pass through him.
We are also aware that our enemy is also planning a lot of things, but we will not fall into that plot where we will allow him or them to destroy the peace that we're enjoying in the state. Let me also say this. I am also aware that there is also a grand plan to come and arrest some of our supporters. This time around, you have to pass through me to arrest them, because I don't think there is anything that any of those people following us have done rather than stand on the side of truth. If it will cost us our life to stand on the part of truth, we will do that, and I will be the one that will lead this cause.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.